Hey, so waiting for my car wash, and I met this little statue right here. I don't know what her name is, but I'm going to try to find out before I leave. And then there's that painting back there above my head. Yes, very interesting stuff. In the car wash. Yes, in the car wash. Just waiting to see what the outcome is going to be. It's the first time I'm here, and I'm loving the decorations here. So I'm going to have to do some research, find out if this is black owned or what, because there's a lot of African paraphernalia, I'm saying paraphernalia around, but that may not be. But yeah, I'm loving that. So stay tuned for more adventures with me. You never know where I'm going to show up. There's another statue that is in the car wash. And here's another gorgeous lady. Yes, still in the car wash. And at the end of the day, there's the sunset on the wall.